All right, so now that we've done our Ultra Key and removed the green screen from the background of our subject, let's get rid of these flags that are in front of her face for camera tracking and things like that. We don't necessarily need that for what we're about to do, so let's get rid of those in Premiere. Okay, so here we are in Premiere, and we want to get rid of these flags right here. And there's a real easy way, quick and easy way of doing that. Selecting our footage down here in the timeline, we're going to come up to opacity, and we're going to use our pen tool here under opacity and just draw a simple shape around our flags. There we go. And then it saved the flags and got rid of our model. So let's click on inverted, and now our flags are gone. And we can actually smooth that out. That's going to smooth the edge a little bit. And what we've created is a mask, okay? But we need to animate this mask because over time, as you can see, this comes into play. Well, one easy way of doing this is come back to 0, 0. We're going to hit the stopwatch next to mask path, okay? And then we're going to hit track selected mask forward, this little play button here, if you will. Let that play forward. And it's done. Let's take a look and see what we have. Not bad. There is a spot right there. You can see it's coming in. So let's back up a little bit, grab our mask path, and I'm just going to drag this out a little bit like so, and then process that again forward from there. And just like that, it's all gone. It's completely gone. Looks, oh, there's a spot right there. Let's go like that. There we go. Now it should be good. Yeah. Okay. And there you go. So now we've used a mask and tracked a mask in Premiere to remove an object out of our footage. All right, in the next scene, we're going to go ahead and composite, well, do some color grading and color correction to get our subject to look a lot like they're in the scene, in this desert scene or whatever scene you chose, and we'll go from there. I'll see you in the next video.